In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Tap and Pay in iMobile app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. iMobile gives you the option to use Tap and Pay when making purchases. This allows you to physically place your phone near a card reader, and you will be able to use the card registered as the default payment method. To manage this and enable Tap and Pay, you have to do is for every single card that you have. So open the iMobile app and then find your cards. So this can either be a debit card or a credit card. Just choose the option to view all of your cards registered on your account. When you find all of your cards, you will be able to select them from here, and if you look underneath a specific card, you will be able to find Tap to Pay. If your card does not have this option, it means that it isn't compatible, so you will need a different card. But as long as you see this icon here on the card, or you find Tap and Pay, this means that you will be able to do contactless payments, aka Tap and Pay. So now make sure that this option is enabled, so you should switch this to on if it is off. And now the last thing to do is to enable NFC. So go into the Bluetooth and device connection settings on your smartphone and make sure that NFC is enabled. You can only use Tap and Pay if your phone supports NFC. So after you enable NFC, you will be able to use the card with Tap to Pay to use it for contactless payments. So as you can see, after it has been enabled, this button will become available, Make Payment. As long as you have NFC and Tap to Pay enabled for this specific card and you choose the Make Payment option, you will now be able to place your phone near the card reader. So as soon as you place the back of your phone near the terminal, the payment will be issued using this card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Tap and Pay in iMobile app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.